Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are going to do a quick unboxing. I am wearing my Flyboy Notice X Watch Crunch collaboration on my left and an F91W modified on the right. Now, this is an unboxing of the brand new release from Jack Mason. This is the Pursuit Pilot. This is the non-anniversary edition. They actually have a 10-year anniversary edition that they're going to be releasing at the same time. Now, the 10-year anniversary is only going to be around for 2025, but the one that I was sent is going to be added to their collection moving forward. I was also sent this handwritten note from Peter. I included it because I want to show you guys how classy Jack Mason really is. Much love to you, brother. I appreciate this collaboration and I look forward to doing many more things with you guys. So this is the box that it came with. It is a book style box, navy blue, Jack Mason written on the front of it. And when you open it up, you have a nice suede pouch nestled inside of it. And attached to that pouch was this Lone Star emblem. A dividing suede card inside of the suede pouch to protect the watch from itself, eliminating metal to metal during transportation. Now for specifications on my calibers, I've got a read of a diameter of 39 millimeters, lug to lug of 45.8, a thickness of 12.1, a lug width of a strap-friendly 20 millimeter, a crown of 7.0. That crown size is very important. That makes for keyless work function a lot easier to grip and everything else. 152 grams on full-length bracelet, 73 grams for the watch's head alone, and it is effectively 150 meters of water resistance. Now, Jack Mason decided to power their new release again with a Swiss movement. It's a Le Jour Perret G101 regulated to +5 to -5 seconds, normally coming in a standard of plus or minus 12 seconds per day. It has a 60-hour power reserve, so we're getting a larger power reserve than we would get from an SW200. 28,800 beats per hour, 4 hertz. It has a clockwise rotor, unidirectional, and I think that the actual rotor itself is tungsten, which is a heavier metal, making for a nicer spin to power the movement. 24 joules, you get hacking, hand winding. Of course, it's automatic. No phantom date wheel complication, normally priced around $295 USD. Now, this is in fact a pilot's watch, and what I like about it the most is that it's actually a tool watch. All the models include an anti-magnetic capability thanks to the nickel iron alloy inner cage that surrounds the movement, which makes the watch resistant to well above ISO standard of 4,800 amperes per meter, which is roughly equal to 60 gauss. And if you need a reference, most refrigerator magnets have around a gauss of a rating of 50. So if you are an actual pilot, you can use this watch as functional. This is not just another pretty design. It has a high beat Swiss movement, and it actually has tool-like functions. The bracelet features a micro adjust clasp. It's one of those sliding and then clip down type of situations. 20 millimeters down to a 16 millimeter taper, a solid 3-link brush screwed in, solid female end links, quick release, push deployment clasp engraved in the Jack Mason name. And on the milled portion of the clasp, they have engraved "Be Your Best." Nice touch. On the case back, we got a circular brushing that extends to the back of the lugs with a bead blast for the center backdrop. Now that case back is a screwed in case back with 4 screws attached to the bottom of the lugs, likely chosen by Jack Mason to keep the upright orientation for legibility of the case back itself. The brand name is engraved in the center of the case with small specification engravings around it. We are getting a screw down crown to get that effectiveness of 150 meters of water resistance. It's signed with the famous Lone Star from Jack Mason's logo. And for added benefits, the case and the bracelet have a hardness coating up to 1200 Vickers, which has now been the standard for all Jack Mason watches. The bezel has a nice brush finish against the crystal, split with a polished combo sitting just above the case itself. A flat sapphire crystal with AR coating, of course, and I can already tell that there was a handsome amount of that AR coating applied, as glare seems to not interfere with a light source. Brushed stainless steel pilot style hour and minute hand with a white filled with lume. The second hand is sporting the Jack Mason signature move, having a red, white, and blue on its counterbalance, and the rest of it being white. Now I'm going to give you guys a complete breakdown of the dial in my full review, so for now I just want to showcase the watch and go over some of the technical features. However, before we sign off, I do want to mention the lume on here. It is something that we don't normally see. It's a super luminova on the dial called X2 grade lume. Compared to the X1, the new technology impresses with a performance increased by 87% over 60 minutes. On this model, it has a green tone loom to the indexes, Arabic numerals, and on the hour and minute hand. Jack Mason will officially be launching this for pre-order on February 7th directly from the website. I'll leave a link in the description below when this becomes available. 3 different colorways to choose from this non-anniversary edition, effectively costing $1650 USD. Now, I will be releasing a full in-depth review in a couple of weeks after spending a week with this watch on wrist. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for that coming up. I appreciate you guys for spending your most valuable asset, which is time, and I hopefully will see you in the next one.